Hello everyone, this is Nicky here. I'm going to show you my DVD update 30... Come on, iPad. Oh yeah, 40! But there's a sound of thunder and lightning and a rainstorm in the background. So we have more DVDs here. The Madagascar trilogy, Mr. Men collection, Bugs Life, Paddington Bear, Space Buddies, and American Thomas, Tennis Thomas. So have a look at the first one, which is Madagascar, which is a movie from Madagascar. My very first movie. I love Madagascar. It's the front from the studio that brought you Shrek, the spine, and the back cover. Terrific. I like to move it. So they're both using this DVD are Meets the Wild Cast, seen the amazing tech of Madagascar, enjoy hours of interactive fun and activities for the whole family. Soundtrack available on Given. Open it up. Here's the disc, it's a film. And it's disc 2 of Madagascar Penguins. And features postage as well. And the original disc is disc 1, like the Lion King special edition. The discs got stuck together, like Toto's Happy Birthday as well. So the next one is Madagascar 2 Escape Africa. Here's the front. Fantastically funny. The spine and the back cover. A brilliant sequel. Fabulous loads of loves for both children and adults. So they're both issues DVD are filmmakers commentary is a family of Bari. The cast of Escape to Africa, making of Escape to Africa, DWA Jukebox, Madagascar Escape to Africa, Activision game trailer. So the language is English. Open it up. Here's the disc, which comes in this green case. I say Merry Sweet Christmas, which comes in this red tape, which is nice. So the next one is Madagascar 3 Europe's Most Wanted. It's the front. Hilarious, the best one yet. The spine and the back cover. So now both of you see the fantastic features are top cast, high flying deleted scenes, mad music mashup, film and filmmakers commentary. Get ready to wig out. So languages are English, German and Italian. Open it up. Here's the disc. The next one, we have Mr. Men collection here, which is Mr. Men collection. Here's the front, 2 disc set, the spine, the other spine, and the back. So there are 2 DVDs in here. Take it out. This is series 1. It's the front, the spine, and the back cover. There are no benefits on this DVD. There's some interesting menus. the episodes are Mr. Happy, Mr. Silly, Mr. Jelly, Mr. Snow, Mr. Bounce, Mr. Forgettable, Mr. Funny, Mr. Bump, Mr. Tickle, Mr. Small, Mr. Messy, Mr. Greedy, and Mr. Sneeze. Achoo! Here's this. I've got series 2. Here's the front, the spine, and the back cover. Mr. Strong, Mr. Grumpy, Mr. Impossible, Mr. Daydream, Mr. Fussy, Mr. Worry, Mr. Appetite, Mr. Dizzy, Mr. Topsy Turvy, Mr. Muddle, Mr. Mean, Mr. Noisy, Mr. Nosy, Mr. Lazy, and Mr. Chatterbox. Open it up. Here's the disc. You can hear me talking, just me, mummy. Put them back in. And the next one is A Bug's Life, which is the same region 2 of Disney videos. Here's the front. Save £10 Disney video DVDs and all videos. The spine and the back cover. So the bonus issues DVD are disc 1 film, the movie. Oh, go away please, Joe. Sorry. Anyway. The movie, yes. Disc 2 are animated short Jerry's Game, Flippy Reel, story and animated short Jerry's Game of Flippable Bee, real story and edition real includes original story, treatments, storyboard, pitch, storyboard to film, comparison, abandoned sequence, research design includes characters, locations, compact arts behind the scenes of A Bug's Life voice casting, early tests, production, progress session, demonstrations, and end credit outtakes. Its only language is English. Journey inside a miniature world of bugs for larger than life. Fun and adventure in Disney and Pixar's epic film sensation. Open it up. It's disc 1 and disc 2, which features bonus features, and it came with the leaflet, all setups, menus, scene selection, have a little flick flying cauliflower. Do that too. And the next one is Paddington Bear. Here's the front. Complete DVD collection. 346 minutes of mermaids and its madness, 2 disc sets, the spine and the back cover. So there are no visuals DVD. Some interesting menus in Abbey Kids Shop. Opens up. There's disc 1 and disc 2. Oh, discs all the way around. There we go, have two of them. Postage just 2R and 3 TV specials. The next one is Space Buddies. That's the front. One small step for dog, one giant leap for dog kind. Here's the spine. And the back cover. And her Buzz Wishes DVD are outtakes, buddy bloopers, music and more, dancing in the moonlight, music video with Disney channels, Larson, Stoner, Backstage Disney, Backstage Disney, Disneypedia, the Buddy's Guide to Special with Trivia, Travel, Buddy Facts. The languages are English, French, German, Turkish and Arabic. Open it up. Here's the disc. It came with the leaflet. That's the movies. And that's the Blu-rays. And the letter's right here. And the final one I got from Update is 10 Years of Thomas. Here's the front. Best Friends, Collector's Edition, the spine, and the back cover. The episodes are Thomas and Bertie's Great Race, Old Iron, The Trouble with Mud, Terence the Tractor, Percy's Ghostly Trick, Mavis, Henry and the Elephant, Percy's Promise, James Goes Buzz Buzz, and All at Sea. But it's the UK title, UK title Buzz Buzz as well, instead of James Goes Buzz Buzz. George Conlon, the US narrator, speaks to him too. Voice. So they're both features in DVD are Bowers of Your Favourite Friends, Thomas's Hampton Grand Final, sing-along song, Build an Engine Game, Becca's Time for Thomas read-along story, and links to the official Thomas website. As you can see here, there's a ticket right here. Over 1 full hour. A ticket to ride Thomas, Sodor Railways. 02005. Up is the disc. And that's all the update I've got. I'll see you later for another one. Bye!